Ọdịnala bụ eziokwu, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu tempụl ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa chacha, ndị okenye ga-adị fọnta mba gị, ndị oche ya dị fọnta mba gị. Fọdụ asị gara aka n'olu ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma. Buru Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ, wepụkwa chọọchị fa, ọbụla ụka bịakwa. Mmadụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe, ga-adịsị n'ọma mme. Ọdịnala ọmanwụ chacha, oge ọbụla ọ na-eti, ọ nọ na nkụzi. Chukwu abịa ma gbaa ume, ọdịnala ya dị. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu.
Ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, aga m bụkwa onye nke gị, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu na oraifite. Abụ m onye isi mgbasa ozi na onye isi nchụaja Ugochi tubelu na tempụl, bụrụkwazi onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry, bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. Ọmụnwawe onye na-anọ n'isi n'oge awa nke eziokwu, oge anyị ji awa okwu niile agba. N'ụbọchị tata bụ Orie, asị m na Orie ga-eritere anyị ihe ọma ma ripụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. Asị m na akakaka ya ma anyị na jijiji ya ma anyị. Asị m ọkwụ niile echi anyị n'okwu ya eji ya. Asị m onye si na anyị ga-adị mma na onye a ga-adị mma, mana onye si na ya ama adị mma na onye a ama adịnata mmata iru ụgwọ akwụ. Ọ ga nsikwu ego ọ ga-esi mee. Isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa bụ all you need to know about your spiritual spouse. Yes, your spiritual companion. Agbọlụ dị mmiri ma nwaanyị mmiri. Ọgwa ndị ọzọ na-akpọkwa ya dị ụwa. Ịghọtara ya? Ihe ọsọ gị kpọọ ya, ma ọ bụ ihe ọ bụla akpọrọ ya n'onu dịka na mba na-asụ n'onu. Mana ihe dị important na ya bụ ya aghọta na ya bụ na onye abụ ya companion, their spouse in the spiritual realm, whether ma ọ bụ nwoke ma ọ bụ nwaanyị, ma ibu nwoke ma ibu nwaanyị. Ịghọtara ya? And a sị na ọ bụ akpa alahụ n'ụtọ ọkwa eziokwu. Kelee relationship dị between gịnwa na ya spiritual spouse, or the cordial ka relationship unu nwere Afghanistan na Iraq. Maka na two captain na-agba mmanụ n'ụgbọ, and the cause of two elephants, when two elephants fight, the grass will suffer. Onye ma bụ isiokwu anyị ji bịa, mana echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Novemba ga-ebido na Novemba 6. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isonye na ya, ndị na-esonye na ya amadugo mana maka ndị ọfụ ihe ị ga-eme wee forward m ya 3 prayer request. Yes, then email donation token to the account number. Maka ndị ọfụ chat ya m na WhatsApp 08057837672. I repeat 08057837672. ka ị chat ya m forward ya 3 prayer request. Enye gị account number ị ga-forward ya token, then forward ya details a ga-eji wee book gị maka ndị anyị ga na-agọrọ ọfọ kwa ụbọchị na temple anyị for 14 days. Ọ ya ebido na 6 wee end na 19. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na ụtụtụ ọmụna na isi ndị niile dị n'afọ ha anyị ga-eje gọrọ ha ọfọ ndụ of ihe ọma dị iche iche isi ha ihe ọma na-emere ha. Present gwazia their case to the entities of powers. Achụ aja everyday ọdụtụ ụbọchị a ga-emechie achụ aja dị iche iche, gbuo anụ dị iche iche, gbuo ebulu wee mee saraka ndị mmadụ erikwazịa ma ṅụọ. Believe me, ya aja mbunye na aja esighị ọnya ya bunye ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ. Then echefuna na ụbọchị Wednesday bụ ụbọchị anyị ji aga ọfọ kwubie okwu n'ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche dịka ikwubi okwu and ọdịnala administration n'isi our friends and well-wishers and friends of the temple all over the world. Echefuna na ọrụ anyị na-alụ distance abụrụ ebara ya, afọ anyị na-agba distance abụrụ ebara ya, ọrụ mmụọ anyị na-alụ distance abụrụ ebara ya. Ọnya ka ọ na-abụ every Wednesday anyị ji aga ụfọdụ etu a n'isi friends of the temple. Then ụbọchị ụka bụ ụbọchị anyị na-eme canceling. Echefuna na before ị na-abịa ịchatị m na WhatsApp ka ị dị sure na m nwere ohere ịfụ gị maka na m ma like ụbọchị ọbụla ị ga-abịa ka m nwee more time for you. Achọrọ m ka mmadụ karịa mmadụ ole m nwere ike ịfụ n'ụbọchị ọbụla. Anyị na-agba afa mmiri enyi and distance abụrụ ebara ya. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ ihe anyị na-edewu ya details agbaala gị afa. Then n'isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị taata bụ lecture m na-ada abụba morning na-abụ 9 o'clock mana nke taa echenjiri m ya to 10 o'clock maka na anyị na-agbagharị maka pure water company anyị bido ọrụ by Monday. Yes, so o nwere some logistics a na-put say in order, so ọnya mere njiwe nwe obere delay, so we shift by 10. Daalụnụ. Anyị jikwa n'ụbọchị taa anyị jikwa kaadị na-abụ anyị ga-eke ndị mmadụ. Anyị ji MTN and the Airtel airtime. I get our fans. I want to make introduction. I bought Airtel. I just imagine I bought MTN. Yeah, we hear the name. Then I got na nubi onya I bial. I call nubi onya I bial. Bull. I get maniru na let try to be no but table. Then we your spiritual spouse. Your spiritual spouse, Emana. In this life you are seeing, earthly experiences have shown us why there is so many earthly experiences is key when we have all that is faint idea of what is happening in the spiritual realm. Now, akwagoronge na-enwelo spiritual you. When physical you, right? Yes. When we're gonna physical you, Boginwa, and I for anya take a mother, Dika Mecca, Dika Ngozi, Dika Janet, Dika Ife Yinwa, Yotaria, now physical you. The spiritual you, the other aspect of you that you cannot even comprehend the beginning and the end. That is your spiritual you. And that's your spiritual you. Might have some dimensions. Oh, that can be bonako. And where image. Oh, sorry. I want to walk with the body, Thank God, now it's got what I saw. That walk is so bad, but I got a new. Where go one with spiritual you, then where physical you. When go was in only one man, only one mother. Then when this when spiritual forces more so mother. Onya batarandibo, and where image, obesi the bottle obesity. And when you obesi kinga, that kinga represent the spiritual forces so nyawa. Oh, yeah, but I need one them mother. Don't split them. It's a chukwa chigiche, chukwa ikengiche, or chukwa chonyo the chigiche. They are one. And all but I know now, and the bed the chimma, no if I could be about to chimma, the king that bind the kota honor, meaning that they are one. Don't split it. And don't allow your spirituality to split it for you. They need to work in harmony, in union. Makano Igwe. So, when you can say, I'm a second and we're more so cheap. Only you can bring me wake up lousy. No where other entities so cheap. Yeni na book a chibia where Kuruka, Kuleklis, now Lucio Leak. Edward Casey Moka, other your spiritual companions. Yes. And we can undo to be the world of bundle with you. Danine both spiritual forces. They well some similarities with you. On that one, they have Hakudorugi do the Nandua. Their mission on earth will be achieved. They are the force behind their existence. Here, this their present earthly mission, their earthly existence. When some spiritual forces now back there, King Wiki Jenu the Manani. Come that. On what the woman name on earth, and we're on Yeji Makia where Kuzira here in the spiritual realm. Example, I be a then all the possible money in Wejima. Yetago. Here you go say here abuna na ejimana nwere ike no in one move. Eji go say in the spiritual realm na nwere ike nwe and ejimana abuna na one move. Ha buru ihe na on an identical twins. Yotara ya. He you one of maka na ha no n'ime akpako. Then hen na ji ho na go say ge bona na mmụọ na mmadụ nwere ike ịgba mkpe. Yotara ya. Na mmadụ nwere ike ịgba mkpe. Mmadụ nwere ike ịgba mkpe more than ịgwa. Ka m wetakwa ya na the mystics. Ọ bụrụ na ịgụ akwụkwọ dị iche iche about the mystics ma ọ bụ na study metaphysics. Now let me bring it down to o nwere ihe a na-akpọ bilocation. This bilocation ọ bụrụ na ịgụ akwụkwọ like some stigmata that some people they call mystics. I got here about bilocation. Even when I was in with the Roman Church, there was some sense. They had recognized the sense. They had recognized that they have the great. Except for the number one, they like Saint Alexander the Great, and then all other ones that is emerald attached, the great in Africa. Minus that one. Then in mystics, they can be in two different locations at the same time. And about bilocation, they can be in two different locations at the same time here on earth. Yes, I remember. Padre Pio. Now, the Roman Church canonized against saints. Now, if what the history of Padre Pio, they will tell you that he's a mystic, that he has ability to bilocate. You know that? During my time in the Roman Church, I was opportune to investigate. Yes. So, sorry. There was a man in Olun, Imo State. Yes. His name, I met the man face to face on several occasions when he was alive. His name is brother, is known as Brother Innocent Okolie of Owerri. Of Owerri. I can tell you, in 1990s, I used to go to his place. Yes. I don't really know why I was allowed to be going there. Though that time I was a core Catholic. Yes, that's Brother Innocent Okolie. Is a mystic. Yes, let me put it that way. He's a mystic. So, is he under investigation concerning the claims? But based on what I saw then, he was he is a gifted person. He can bilocate. There was this account that on some occasion he bilocates. He testified. There were some people that visited his Operation Investigation Association. About AIA. Then yes, AIA. Then they all investigate whatever that transpired within and around his family. And there were some these claims of bilocations. But I know I have visited him many a times. Yes, I visited him because at that time I was a strongly faithful of the Roman Church. So what I'm telling you is that yes. So there was some other canonized even sense in the Roman Church. And were claims that how we bilocate. Some of them is in the premature books. So in premature books, that according to the church, that any books that is in premature, it then means that the bishop have looked into the claims and the whatever, and the sign that whatever contains in that book does not go against the Roman doctrine. So what am I saying? What I'm saying that I have already cited two examples to show you that for a human being to have like multiple, it's just to show you that it's possible. Yes, for human being to be multiple at a certain time. And I cited the example of bilocation to show you that actually human being can be here and here. You understand? People that are mystics in nature, then they can bilocate. That is the earthly example of what is happening in the spiritual. In the spiritual, I told you that there will be a spiritual you. That your other spirit that works with your spiritual you. Yes. Onya batana. Omo no mo na akpọ tuchu onye ụwa mmadụ ma ọ na-efi tuchu onye ụwa mmadụ ma ọ na-arụ ọrụ dị anya ma akpọ chi onye anwa. That the spiritual, the person, then na entities of powers, na mmụọ ndị ọzọ ya na chi na-eme gịnị na-erikọ. Ihe njikọ we ha ka iwe ghọta ihe gbasara their spiritual spouse. Your spiritual spouse bụ ya etu asị na di na nwunye na earthly achọrọ iji ihe ma wee marụ ga atụ ihe mara na earthly existence na di na nwunye bụ ofu ọkwa eziokwu. Yes, in marriage, because whatever affect the eyes affect the nose of eziokwu. Yes, they are one, like one. Then onye gị na ya dịkwa like one in the spiritual. That's your spiritual spouse, because the person has link with your spiritual you. That's the other side. Your spiritual you that is cannot, that is spirit. It is spirit that if he can enter your house, even if your house is not locked, he can still sit. Or depend on the level of that's your spiritual spouse. Or they have their own spiritual spouse only in dreams. However, to see their guided angel, their chonyowa, physical, that is her 40 as human. Yes. Or call it guardian. Of what don't look about their guided angel. Believe in me. I want to get with the clairvoyance, well clairvoyance. And when you want in a voice, near very clearly. And whenever there is danger, they will be warned. Then I will follow the so clairvoyance, everyone. Everyone they will do the phone. The hand of more. And I'm more and cut like it. But I go, oh, my don't have more. Manana, I know. Oh, we can run. Then they are not no one run. Then they are not back. When they have their guided angel, one on one. Oh, my nose, your guided angel, when they have the spiritual you, one on one. everywhere gets a they put on the heaf. But don't go and don't have the spirit. And the mother of spirit, don't worry, whenever somebody want to enter the house where the person is, the spirit will just leave. Without even if the door is under lock and key. Once somebody knock on the door, the spirit leaves. So that you are not seeing your own does not mean no one other funky. Any that dependent on the spiritual level of the person involved. You know what I mean? All that determine whether money or yafu or normal. So what am I saying? Your spiritual spouse is real. Man of father, due to because of some certain things, either because of the person's inner disposition or a spiritual spouse, you feel that. No choro ko bro onye na-eyi egwu. Man, that spiritual spouse, a spiritual guide. You need now when about a spiritual strength. Sometimes you will be permitted to see your spiritual spouse or spiritual guide. Whether you for their guide, or for their spouse, or for their whatever, they are meaning the same. And then when some certain things they will mystery, you might comprehend well. As long as you remain where you are as of today. Yes. Spiritual guide again, no, we're not Lord, spiritual spouse, but all of them are the spirit, they are work together. So you don't need to start splitting them. Walk with them in harmony as you were. So it will consider. So ajụjụ bụzi enwere ndị kpọrọ nke ha dị ụwa nwere ndị kpọrọ nwa ha dị mmiri ma nwaanyị mmiri. Ụfọdụ na-ajụ ha enwere ike kewapụ onwe ha ka ha ghara inwezi anything ọbụla jikọ ha na the other spiritual spouse. Wee mụọ amụ amụọ na m na Chinese language. Let me tell you, when for the fact that you are here on this gross material, there is a reason why you were allowed to be here at this point in time. And that purpose is for you to mature and achieve all the necessary maturity and experiences that are permitted. And the aim is that by experiencing those things, you will be able to mature. He will bring a matured human spirit so that you will be able to contribute to your quota towards furthering creation. That is your purpose why you are here on earth. Now, the thing again is this. If for anything, you have gathered those experiences and you mature, it will help you to rise the spiritual experiences and the spiritual maturity. So, in this maturity of a thing, you need to recognize all your spiritual forces. Because this your spiritual spouse is like a spirit guide or a spirit companion, a spirit spouse assigned to you to help you to achieve great things on your earthly existence. Mana maybe a habuzie junu ihe mi ihe ndị a ịmara na na-eti onwe gị n'ọnọdụ ejeje anana. So mgbe ọ bụ na mmadụ na-asị gị ka ekewa gị na ha, ịma na onye a na-approaching you from the angle of Christian mindset, because Christians, they don't understand how things work. They normally see them as evil. You know what I mean? So therefore, and because of the mindset, you yes, looking at me, because your mindset, I was a mono, I was a monster on the Jew, I was a menka, and what I was an answer to I don't know when as a Roman, what you don't want. So only the spiritualists have go their own mindset, and the Ochoroko lose will give you a is here no okay, I will tell you the face. I don't do separation. What I do, I'm doing is to harmonize, align you with you and your entities. By so doing, that your entities will stand by you. And once they stand by you, they will help you to actualize your purpose here on earth. You need them. Let there be harmony. Let there be peace. That the forces behind you that are supposed to be giving you support. Or have their third eyes, how about their spiritual eyes? They are seeing what you are not seeing. So there are the people that will be saying things and be warning you. Believe in me, if you pay attention to these spiritual forces, you will never go wrong. You will never be hurt. Let me give you an example. There was a man called St. Paul of Tarsus. Yes, formerly, literally, they recognize him said as St. Paul. St. Paul of Tarsus, that Paul of Tarsus, used to go anywhere. Sometimes he go to murder people with some flimsy excuses of blasphemy. Now, on one of his dismission, he encountered the blockade. The higher spirit stood by his way. That look, young man, he can't continue murdering people with the excuse of these flimsy excuses of blasphemy. Therefore, but because he was blind, his spiritual eye is not active, or maybe he refused to listen to his spiritual eyes or activate his spiritual eyes. So he ran into trouble. And the animal that was conveying him, the horse, being open-minded with the mystic realm, the horse he was traveling with saw that higher peak, and they refused to go beyond that, refused to walk bypass. But Paul of Tarsus didn't even see it because his spiritual eyes is blind. So he tried to force that the horse to go beyond natural orders, and the horse protested. And because of flogging the horse cried and they reacted, and that's caused him insight. Because of the cry of that horse, and on top of what he have committed in his intention to go and commit murder, he keep on committing more atrocities against the animal horse that is conveying him. And we are told that the higher being have no other option than to blind him. You understand? So he earned himself that extra punishment of blindness, at least for that moment, because he keep on pushing his luck too far. Whenever you keep on trying to push your luck beyond the limit, the higher spirit will not spare you than to cast whatever spell they can cast on you. They can cast whatever spell, name it punishment or call it powers. How will keep powers? How will it keep joy? How will it keep downfall? How will it? Oh, but if you refuse to follow and do the needful, you receive brulala. Your brulala can come in any angle, in any form. You know that? So whatever you are passing through today could be because you refuse to do the needful. That's why I need brulala. You know that? So I will advise you, don't try to separate. No. What you need to do is to make peace. Because anywhere there is peace, there must be progress. You know? So because people don't understand how things work in the spiritual. Let me give you an example. Even Jesus, that account of Jesus in the Bible. Did you see anywhere Jesus said, die by fire, die, as our brothers are doing today? Believe in me, what they are doing is murmuring. The spirit can never die. Tell me anywhere in the Bible where Jesus commanded any spirit to die. It can't. Because he understands the natural laws. The only thing he can do is to make a case. Let me tell you, whatever that is happening in the spiritual is in the physical is prototype of what is happening in the spiritual. What you need is to understand how things work in the spiritual, so that you will not run into trouble or or harm yourself. What you need, once you understand the natural principle, natural laws, what you do is to make peace. Like example, there was a time, according to that allegorical story in the Bible, he saw someone that is under the captivity of negative punishment. And I said, who are they? Who are you? He said, Nani be grand. We are in battalions. Or when started making case that only Awuruchi, the only Emba, Keria game, he now negotiated with them. It's okay. In exchange of this person you people are holding captive, see, Bayanonimi Gracie, he now use large number of pigs whereby you he now sacrifice those pigs for the freedom of that particular person. Remember that those region enter the crowded pigs. They all ran into the water, and we are told that all of them died. Jacochuru. Oji, the souls of that pigs were that singular human spirit, because human spirit is higher than those animals. That's why in order now we use our soul of animals to plead in exchange for life of a human spirit, for betterment of a human spirit. You must have something in hand to plead with. In exchange, Jesus never said, as we speak now, somebody somewhere casting and binding, their spiritual spouse, I cast, I bind. Around nonsense. It doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. As we speak now, someone under the one torture of one or somebody that does not understand how things work in the name of deliverance. It can never stop. Stop building more warfare. Don't start a war you cannot finish. You can never win war against the spirits, because they are seeing what you are not seeing. They are the masters of the game. So what you need is to make peace. There is no way. The only thing Jesus will do is, after he must have negotiated. You are not expecting Bible to tell you everything that you offer this, you offer that, you offer this, you offer that. No. They only recommend, after distorting the Bible, removing some certain things, they now make it look simple. It doesn't work that simple. Sometimes you negotiate with them and ask them to leave. The same thing I remember buying a two agenda of one look. Or buying a choke, I will separate with you again or with Jim Brigam or one. Yes, after the other, we say, okay, bring this. Can you get make one happen with your more? Example, no one in the passage. No other day to another day, Congo. Can get one in million or more. Then them their price, what they are with that day, actually, get your partner. Jennifer, how those things, once you happen to go more. Can we call that relationship? I want to know boy one queen fast. Manake amateur again who won't go and wear union to maintain that harmony and relationship from time to time. You can be without her some good things where you have because they remain your spiritual partners. You need them. You need their chi, you need their message, you need their viewer or their spiritual force. All of them, they're all his message. You need them to succeed in this world. We are in this world. Because the spiritual control the physical. So you want to say, okay, wagging I got it. And go on, I watch out in our bedding, or I am not bedding in our final. Or in our bedding, the one of you go to bread, because I think I would have bread, and Mark Kudume. I was saying, neck and no. Then I dig on a big of my, I say, maybe of my. You say, another one, I'm not a longer moment. I was see your king. Came and Kakunumenka, and why I be. It was going to where the baggy. In a tongue, you can have one door to say, I don't matter what why you do it again. But we on the no more for the Henya, where you have said, though, no one demand, and Jogadim Nagadidu, no marriage man, and Jogamutom. You must maintain that cordial relationship. I don't want I can walk in every one age. How you don't see them as a wise Musa, go away, I don't have anything in common. It's awful. ịma na ọ bụ na ha kwudoro ọrụ gị ikwulu alone. Some people have already made themselves of an orphan when no spirit is backing you spiritually. How will you succeed? In this world, you need their spiritual forces to back you up. If not, when challenges come, they will stand by you. Even when man fails. I'm a living witness. So here na chekwa more na abagidara but I need yourself to your spiritual spouse. Don't allow anybody to take advantage of ignorance by telling you that no get no, because it will never pay you. On a pogi in do to take years more. You go when I have gone on a Wadiag. Yagi milky udo bidi. Macano no ya be kept. Ever would ever come here. But ever would ever war. Afghanistan, and Iraq. There won't be any progress. So you could have Udo, Natalia, Macano Badis, or Baragaba. Yagas. The way I don't join him, I can pour airtime. Airtime 02 again 07 26 57 57 04 57. I repeat 02 07 26 57 57 04 57. Let me call for the last time. 02 07 26 57 57 04 57. I will opportunity to focus on MTN. MTN about 36 or MTN 500 36 17 84 63 41. I repeat 36 17 84 63 41. Let me call for the last time. 36 17 84 63 41. HF Kwana. Na HMI Borta. Abro for only abro my fan. Only cholo. Go so naked that airtime. Mana noga and they follow our page. Don't copy this number. But now send the alone also abro my fan. It's just for my fans only. If it's not network you are using, please leave it. This lecture, some people will still watch it later in the day. Believe in me, some people will still watch it even in YouTube, on YouTube. So open up your network, leave it. Yeah, guys, yeah. In one Jujuna Kutia, send the other message in our WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. Ogadekwa echinine by 9 a.m. Yagazieno. Ofo.